The slimmer the TV, the poorer the sound quality. Soundbars help here. Thanks to the Hama Sound Bar Bracket, these can be integrated perfectly into your home cinema. All current soundbars can be mounted directly on the television by means of the bracket. The soundbar is first mounted on the bracket. Then attach the soundbar with the soundbar bracket to the VESA mounting holes to your television. With the accompanying adapter rails, the bracket is suitable for the Sonos Playbar, amongst other things. The depth of the bracket can be variably adjusted. In this way, any current soundbar can be mounted flush with the television. The soundbar thus always looks good, whether above or below the television, on a stand or on the wall. In combination with a movable wall mount, there is perfect automatic alignment of sound from the soundbar with the picture to the viewer. The Hama Sound Bar Bracket, ideal viewing and listening with your entertainment center.